Hey, this is Erica with WTI. Are you looking for a portable speaker with amazing sound? Then I think you're really gonna love the Marley Get Together portable speaker. I use my Marley speaker every day. I love listening to music or podcasts while I'm working in the kitchen or I'm doing any kind of household chores. The Marley speaker can go anywhere that I want it to go. It has a beautiful, stylish bamboo faceplate that really looks good in any home. It was really easy to pair to my phone, and once it's paired, it will automatically connect the next time I turn it on, which is a really nice feature to have. The best part is the amazing sound quality. Just check it out. If you're looking for a good-looking portable speaker that you can take with you anywhere you want to go, then the Marley Get Together speaker is for you. And that's my point of view.